Hey guys, I just wrote a new song, finished a few minutes ago, and wanted to take an opportunity to share this with you, but I would like for your help. I have not come up with a title for this song, and I thought it would be fun to ask you to help in the process. So as you're listening to this, if you come up with a title, please put it down in the box below, and hopefully together we can come up with something that will impact a lot of people. So listen to the song. I'm like that. Make sure to comment below.